Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Hello there, welcome to the Wedway Walker. In this video I'm taking you on Remy's Ratatouille adventure. That said, let's get going.
Voilà, venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Attendez-vous. Oh, ils est hors de nous. Des invités pour le dîner.
Yes, what here? Hein? Pour le repas idéal. Coco vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
What?
Mais oui, that's it!
Not for food. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
Et tout est en salle. Wedway, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Wedway!
Il va aussi me falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la carte. L'imagerie! Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Meal? Oh. Au revoir.
Never for you, and this way. You are always welcome at Bistro Chez Remy.
There you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed your trip on Remy's Ratatouille adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and remember, your future hasn't been written yet, so make it a good one.